Good morning, students. Today we start the next point of the lesson push and pull. In last period we learn about what different forces, which muscular force and magnetic force. Okay, that two force we already studied, which muscular and magnetic. Okay, muscular force I again repeat it. Muscular force means the force that exerted by our muscles. Okay, these are the muscular force. Means any force that applied by our body parts is called muscular force. And magnetic force means magnetic force is the force that that applied due to the magnet. Okay, that applied to the magnets. Okay, you know magnetic has the south and north pole. So magnetic force is exerted by the magnets, means it repels or attract the things toward itself. Today we see the next force is the gravitational force. Gravitational force. So open page number 108. Open page number 108. Gravitational force. Gravitational. You know gravity? Yes. Earth has a gravity. Means you know when apple fall from the trees. So what happened? It fall downward to the, means it fall downward around the earth. Okay, on the ground. So when you throw the ball up in the sky, then what happened? That balls come on the earth. Why? Because earth has a gravity, gravitational force earth में. Okay, so that's why all the things that we throw in the sky that are fall on the earth. Okay, so it is the force of gravity that makes the things fall to the ground. Okay, that make the things fall to the ground. अगर एप्पल भी अगर गिरता है तो क्या होता है? वो ग्राउंड पे गिरता है. ओके, इट फॉल डाउन. ओके, इट्स because of gravity. Means thus the force that attract the object to the center of earth. To the center of earth is called gravitational force. I again, the force that attract the object to the center of the earth is called gravitational force. And this gravitational force is also the force that hold our sun, planets and moons together. Okay, that's why the earth, that planets such as the moon, sun, okay, and other planets also, that hold together due to the gravity. Okay, suppose मैं अब यहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ, it's also due to the gravitational force of earth. Okay, so it is the also one type of the force, gravitational force. Second, last, frictional force. Frictional force. Frictional force means the force that oppose the motion of one object over another when two objects are in contact with each other. See, the force that oppose the motion of object. Okay, suppose देखो अब कार रोड पे चलती है. Okay, the car are running on the road. Then what happened? When we apply the brake, it gets stops. Okay, so this car are moving on the road is only because of the frictions. Okay, means frictions stops or slow down the movement of object across the surface. Frictions क्या करता है? Frictions may be stops or slow the मूवमेंट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स। एग्जाम्पल्स देखो आपको दिखा है यहाँ पे, व्हेन यू स्टॉप द पेडलिंग योर बाईसाइकिल इट ग्रेजुअली स्लो डाउन एंड स्टॉप। जैसे कि मैंने अभी कार का एग्जाम्पल बताया, लाइक दैट व्हेन यू राइडिंग द साइकिल, व्हेन यू राइड द साइकिल, व्हेन व्हाट हैपन इफ यू स्टॉप द पेडलिंग योर बाईसाइकिल। अब जब पैडल मारना बंद करते तो क्या होता है, थोड़ी देर बाद मतलब स्लो होती है साइकिल्स और वो स्टॉप होती है। इफ यू ब्रेक द साइकिल्स देन also it stops. Okay, so it gradually slow down, so smooth surface provide the less friction than rough surface. स्मूथ सरफेस एज कम्पेयर टू रफ सरफेस जो रहता है उसमें स्मूथ सरफेस से फ्रिक्शन क्या होता है, लेस होता है। ओके, जैसे कि देखो कैरम हम खेलते, ओके, तो कैरम में हम टैल्कम पाउडर डालते हैं। ओके, व्हाई, बिकॉज दैट कैरम्स जो गोटियाँ रहती है छोटी छोटी, उसके फ्रिक्शंस स्लो होना चाहिए, लेस होना चाहिए। ओके, वो इजीली मूव होते हैं। So that's like frictions helps to doing other works like a walk, friction also helps to move vehicle on the roads. Friction also helps to ride. Okay, so friction's force is the one type of the force that oppose the motion of one object on the another objects. Okay, अगर दो objects कांटेक्ट में आ रहे हैं तो एक ऑब्जेक्ट का फ्रिक्शन स्लो होता है। ओके, सो फ्रिक्शंस हेल्प्स टू डूइंग डिफरेंट वर्क्स। सो इन दिस लेसन वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ द फोर्सेस, मस्कुलर, मैग्नेटिक, ग्रेविटेशनल, फ्रिक्शनल। ओके, सो डू यू अंडरस्टूड दैट पॉइंट, ग्रेविटेशनल फ्रिक्शनल पॉइंट? ओके, so here our lesson is finished and I send the question answers in the next period. Okay, thank you.